This video will show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on a Mazda 3. This will be located along the driver's side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We're going to locate the mass airflow sensor along the top of our air filter housing. We'll start by disconnecting our electrical connector along the top. Go ahead and squeeze in on the locking tab and pull that out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion. If you see any, it needs to be taken care of. This looks fine, so I'll set it aside. We're going to continue on to our two Phillips head screws next. Prior to removing those, ensure there's no miscellaneous debris along the top of this area. We're using our Phillips head for each of these. A thorough inspection of the hardware as we continue on, replace as necessary. Once you've removed both of your bolts, take hold of the mass airflow sensor. We're going to give it a slight twist and lift it up and out of position. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any part, we're just going to clean and inspect the mounting surface here. I have a clean rag. I'm not using any type of detergent which might make its way into the engine. Now we can install our mass airflow sensor. As we start sliding this down, we'll make sure we have it in the proper orientation so the connector is facing rearward. We'll start in each of our two Phillips head screws. Now let's snug them up. Let's reconnect that electrical connector. Press it and listen for a click. After that audible click, a light tug confirming that's secured as well. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our mass airflow sensor. Now the next thing you want to do is go ahead and start up the vehicle. Let it run. Make sure you have no check engine light and no running condition. Close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.